Malaysia, and this is Cuba Try Test. It's 24 hours foundation challenge with Revlon. I'm gonna wear Revlon Color Stay Full Cover. It's matte. This is the new product from Revlon. It's Color Stay Full Cover Foundation. It claims to last 24 hours. It's lightweight and fully matte. So let's try this. So I'm done with my makeup and it's 8:30 a.m. in the morning. Okay, now 4.5 hours already. It's 12 p.m. and I'm still looking good, still flawless. Everything's perfect. So I'll be headed for lunch. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Me and my friends Christine. Yeah. So tengok apa makanan kita hari ni. Yeah, baby. Okay guys, so tadi kita dah makan. Sekarang kita nak shopping pula. Kita dah shopping dekat Watson. Yes. Okay guys, kita dah pun sampai 4:30. Okay, dah 8 jam dah. Kita dah makan, kita dah shopping, apa semua. So kita dah beli telur dah tadi. And let's see. My T-zone is quite oily tau. Serious. Still oily, but the foundation tak transfer langsung tau. Okay, so I think dalam anggaran 16 hour more to go. So kita tengok boleh stay ke tak sampai 24 jam. So kita dah sampai dekat food truck and tak tahu hari ni bakal masuk. Nicole in the house. Tadi Eva dah keluar dengan Christine. So hari ni kita keluar dengan Nicole. So dapat makan apa malam ni?
I'm going kunyit.
Saya kunyit. Jom kita dinner. Just go back from hang out with friends and it's 9:30 p.m. already. So I'm just gonna look 10 hours already. Even my T-zone not too oily. I think I'm sweat a lot during night market, you know. But yeah, it's good. So I'll see you guys later. I want to watch Netflix. So bye. It's 12 already. It's time to go to bed. Foundations really did a good job. 8 hours more to go. So I'll see you around in the morning. Good night. Okay guys, it's 8:30 a.m. in the morning. So this is the final look. You can see my T-zone is a bit oily and smudgy. But in the last 24 hours, my foundation still looks thick. If you're interested with this product, you can get it at any Watson store or online. And don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up in Watson's YouTube channel. So yeah, I'll see you around. Bye bye.